You must know that with those Seiko Astron watches, you can adjust the time automatically. You can see it with my instruction in the video just right here. But if you want to do it manually, you must unscrew the crown. You really need to unscrew it. You can just pull it. See, now the crown is unscrewed. And be careful, there is two positions with the crown. The first one is for the subdial, and the second one is for the main dial. So if I just take it to the first position, I can now adjust the time like that. So you see, this gives me a minute every time I press on it. So you have to reach the time you want by pressing. So this add minute and this remove minutes. Now if you want to set the main dial, you pull it to the second position, like that. As you can see, the second needle is at 13 seconds position. This is to adjust the date. So you can increment a date with the upper button, and you can return to the date with the lower button. Now if you want to set the time, you must press and hold this button for 3 seconds. This one. 1, 2, 3. And this one will go to the 0 position. And now you can increment a minute like with the subdial. And you can decrement just right here. When you're done, press the crown and screw it back. Screw it really hard, because if you don't, well, your watch is not waterproof anymore. And we are done.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!